Your storm station forecast with meteorologist Malcolm Byron.
A mixture of clouds and sun as we can clearly see over our tower cam, and our temperatures are getting quite warm as a result, already knocking on the door of 90 degrees. But you factor in the humidity, and the heat index is knocking on the door of 100 degrees. The humidity has been increasing slowly but surely for the last day or so, and our dew point is 74 degrees, matches up with the flat-out humid end of the spectrum. But in some places, this number is slightly higher in the mid-70s, and wherever you see yellow on this map, you match that up to the legend. That's where it's extremely humid. And I don't think that's going to change moving through the rest of the afternoon as additional moisture continues to pump in off the Gulf. And showers and thunderstorms should take advantage of that. We're already seeing signs of the radar coming to life in western Louisiana, and those are sneaking a little bit closer to the capital area. It's not going to be a washout this afternoon, but isolated action is the expectation, similar to yesterday, and Futurecast grabs onto that idea. Hit or miss showers over the next couple of hours. Taking the clock into this evening, most of those showers wrap up. We'll just be left behind with a few clouds for the overnight hours. But tomorrow, the changes really come. By 7 o'clock in the morning, we'll be watching this cold front in eastern Texas, and there will already be thunderstorms underway in that location. It's going to take a little more time for it to get here, but as it gets a little bit closer, we continue to pump more moisture into the area. And tomorrow, we expect an even greater number of showers and thunderstorms, a pretty healthy scattering of them even by this time tomorrow, and that persists into the afternoon hours. Then we get into the evening. Futurecast still maintains some action. A lot of cloud cover in the area. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, and you can notice that front beginning to arrive in frame. And as it pushes through in the overnight hours, even that could trigger showers and thunderstorms after dark, even leading up into the Thursday morning drives. Keep that in mind. That's one reason to tune into our morning newscast. And, well, there's Futurecast 5, 6, 7 a.m. You can see those morning storms. Futurecast gets this front in here sometime on Thursday. Now, this is peculiar. Weathercast actually keeps things fairly dry on Thursday as that front sweeps through the area. Really a couple scenarios that could pan out. One of them being an early cold front passage. If that were to happen, as Futurecast suggests, dry air would filter in faster. We would quickly dry out and the humidity would steadily drop. Scenario number 2 is something that has showed up in the data in recent days, a little bit later of a frontal passage, and that means that the moisture hangs around longer, and that front could act on it and produce another round of showers and storms on Thursday. The data's kind of split on what scenario is going to pan out. I slightly lean towards scenario number 1 as these fronts tend to move a little bit quicker, but we will have to see and iron out that timing over the next couple of days. So on the Storm Station 7-day forecast, we've got a 40% rain coverage today, corresponding to isolated showers and thunderstorms, becoming more scattered, if not numerous, on Wednesday. We'll keep that rain chance elevated at night and even elevated into the early part of Thursday. We'll have to see, though, how quickly we dry out. Should be a little bit cooler, highs in the mid-80s, and then, well, we trade rain for sunshine Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and even with sunshine, our highs should be in the 80s. Lows in the mid-60s, looking like a pretty comfortable weekend across the region. JP, Lauren?